Hello, I'm Dr. Rajani. In this video, I will show you how to prepare a Nutrilicious vegan dessert that is gluten-free, lactose-free and grain-free. This dessert helps in improving bowel movements, relieves constipation and maintains a healthy digestive system. Let's see how to prepare this delicious vegan dessert. Ingredients used in this recipe are burnt Katira, otherwise called as Tragacanth gum, coconut milk, jaggery powder and cardamom powder. For this, we need to soak 5 grams of dry gum in 200 ml of fresh drinking water. After 5 hours, you can notice water turns to gel-like consistency. Take 2 tablespoons of this gel-like gum and add in a bowl. To this, add 250 ml of coconut milk. In place of coconut milk, we can even prefer to add almond milk. Now add 3 tablespoons of jaggery powder and stir well. In place of jaggery, you can prefer dry dates powder or coconut sugar also. Now you can add half a teaspoon of cardamom or elaichi powder to enhance the taste. Now this dessert is ready to consume. This tastes best when chilled. Proper hydration by drinking water is very important when you consume this gum for better bowel movements. Other benefits are it acts as a coolant in summers and protects us from heat strokes. Improves skin health by reducing skin dryness and fine wrinkles. Being rich in prebiotic fiber, this dessert enhances gut health by improving gut healthy flora. You can also add this soaked gum in fresh juices and consume too. If you find this video is informative and beneficial, kindly subscribe and share with your friends and family. Let's all create a ripple effect of health and happiness together everywhere. Check the description box below for more details on its availability, benefits, and research study links. Thank you so much.